Hello viewers, Microsoft has officially confirmed something many users suspected. Core features in both Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 are not working properly. This includes essential tools like the Start menu, Taskbar, File Explorer, Settings, and Windows Search. Microsoft recently shared in an online announcement that Windows 11 version 24H2 core components are malfunctioning after installing cumulative update release in July 2025 or later, starting with update KB50625553. According to the Microsoft, after setting up a PC with Windows 11 version 24H2 and applying these updates, several apps may start having difficulties. These issues mostly affect apps that rely on XML-based components which control many UI elements such as File Explorer and the Start menu. Microsoft has now updated its statement confirming that Windows 11 25H2 is also affected, since 25H2 was built directly on top of 24H2 using the same codebase and servicing branch. This means 25H2 inherited the same underlying problems. The affected apps include File Explorer, Start menu, System settings, Taskbar, and Windows Search. Microsoft added that this issue mainly impacts enterprise or managed environments, and regular home devices are unlikely to face these problems. Why is this happening? Apps that depend on XML packages are failing to register properly after updates, causing delays or failures in core Windows feature. Microsoft has shared a few temporary fixes for users who have technical knowledge. These workarounds involve: number 1, running specific PowerShell scripts; number 2, executing certain commands to re-register affected components. Microsoft states they are actively working on a permanent fix and will update their official post once the solution is ready. Since 25H2 sits on the same 24H2 foundation, it was expected that both versions would show similar issues. Microsoft will provide further updates, and once they do, you will be informed. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.